Thank you for your purchase at Crystal Tractor. We prepared a short video of features and benefits. Welcome to the Crystal family.
The Mahindra 51 series is outfitted with the Mahindra Common Rail diesel engine. That means no regen, no DEF fluid. This particular model is outfitted with a 72-inch blue diamond dual style grapple, and it has a 72-inch bucket with it. We normally deliver them like this. You have 3,100 pounds of lift capacity with the front loader. Quick attach disconnects for easily unhooking your grapple and attaching to your bucket or other front implements, and of course a bucket level indicator. The 5100 series cockpit is outfitted with tilt steering. You have your gear select on the left, low, medium, and high range, forward and reverse, clutch pedal on the left, and your gear select on the right. To start this tractor, we need to be in neutral, forward and reverse, neutral in low, medium, high, and neutral in 1 through 4. From there, we'll just press in the clutch, turn the key, give a moment for the glow plugs, and then fire it up. Just behind us on the left, you'll find the option to select 540 Economy PTO or your regular 540 PTO. You have your parking brake, down for off, up to engage, and to engage your PTO, you simply press the lever forward. To disengage, pull back. Four-wheel drive located just to your left. So here to our right, we have our position control for our 3-point lift. We have the lever to control any implement tied to our rear remotes. We have our bucket control, ergonomically located where we can rest our elbow and control the front bucket. And of course, this loader has detent. Here at our right foot, we have our brake, which can be separated to allow for left and right braking, our foot throttle control, and when in four-wheel drive, we can press down with our heel to engage full locking differential. The M Comfort seat allows for forward and rear adjustment, and also has adjustment for the air cushion of the seat as well. On the rear of the 51 series tractor, you'll notice it comes equipped with category 1 and 2 style balls, telescopic 3-point hitch for easy hookup to your rear implements, dual turnbuckles for adjustment, rear remotes, and of course a drawbar. Crystal and Mahindra have you covered with a 5-year warranty to give you peace of mind. Welcome to the Crystal family.